This video is to walk you through how the transmitter that comes with the X5C-1 Quadcopter operates. First, to fly the quadcopter, you need to put it on a flat surface and turn it on. We are not going to do that, but there's a flat surface. It can be turned on now. And then we turn on the transmitter, and we raise the throttle stick to the top and back to the bottom. Give a few seconds for things to link up and cycle, and then when we raise the throttle stick, it will take off and fly the copter. The copter is obviously controlled with throttle on the left stick, and it'll also allow it to rotate left and right, or pirouette if you keep holding it in one direction to circle. The right stick controls forward and backward flight and side to side flight. There are buttons on the top. The one on the left controls dual rates. Press it once and you change the rate. Here we're currently in high rate. We were in low rate. Low, it's flashing because it wants to be linked in the center of the quadcopter. The high rate allows the copter to have greater speed and to bank at a steeper angle so you can fly faster and do more. The low rate, which I recommend for beginners, allows less tilt and less motion from movement of the right stick, so that it flies a little bit slower and a little more controlled. So low stick for beginners, high stick for more experienced flight. The right button is also what I call the flip button. You press that, and then the copter will flip in any direction you move the right stick. You should have the copter at least 9 feet in the air or higher so that you have time to recover. With a little experience, you'll find you lose almost no altitude. And the third and perhaps most interesting aspect of this copter is what we normally call the throttle trim switch. If you push it up, you take a still picture with the camera when it's connected and on the copter. You push it down, you get 2 beeps. That tells you you've started video recording. When you want to stop, you push it down. There's a green light on the camera which turns to red when it's taking a still picture, then back to green, and it flashes red while it's video recording. Those really cannot be seen while you're actually recording in daytime unless you're right next to the copter, which I don't recommend. So, flip button, high and low rate, camera control, and the main controls with the 2 sticks. Those are the functions you should be focusing on with the X5C-1 transmitter.